Hello everyone, and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today is the start of the Sui Testnet Wave 2. As we did for Aptos and got mind-blowing airdrops, now worth nearly $6,000, we will show you every single opportunity for Sui network, and we believe we will get an airdrop as at least big as Aptos. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So as you can see from this post, Sui Network has shared they're excited to share that Sui Testnet Wave 2 is now live. And in this wave, you can participate and get hands-on with Sui. So let's dive in and have a look at more details. Validators, full node operators, delegators, app builders, and end users can all participate. And compared to the previous wave, which is the Wave 1, now Wave 2, it doubles the amount of validators, enables anyone to run a full node, and also allows builders to publish, test, and share their apps on testnet. Wave 2 will test Sui's tokenomics, including epic management, operations like staking, unstaking, and staking reward distribution all occur at epic boundaries, and also gas mechanism. Validators will participate in setting the reference gas price and plus in monitoring validator performance. Storage fund. Transactions that require storage require paying a per byte fee into the storage fund, and validators earn the rewards on both delegated stake and the Sui in the storage fund. And also, stake delegation and proof of stake mechanism community members can participate in the proof of stake governance and receive stake rewards. You can learn more in the stake delegation frequently asked questions. You will find all the links in the description box below of this video. And also, Testnet Wave 2 also features a pair of games designed to stress test Sui's tokenomics design and implementation. These games are designed to cause the validator stake distribution reference gas price to substantially fluctuate from epic to test edge cases. The first game will be Frenemies, a competitive game that anyone will be able to play. It's designed to generate chaotic movements in the validator stake distributions. We will share all of these games and all of these updates in our upcoming Sui playlist videos, so make sure to subscribe to our channel to not miss out any of those videos. The second game is Validator Game. Exercises Sui's reference gas price mechanism and allows validators to adjust the minimum gas price in response to simulated external factors such as Sui price fluctuations. Only validators can play this game in testnet. So this is important. Only validators will be able to play this game in the testnet. They also shared a few reminders. Testnet Sui tokens and staking rewards are for testing purposes only and do not have any associated monetary value. We can also see testnet faucet will be rate limited 0.01 Sui per request in order to provide fair access to gas tokens and ensure a smooth experience. Between epoch changes, frenemies, and validator game, and a variety of ways to test the V1 tokenomics implementation, we're excited for a dynamic, action-packed, and informative Wave 2. And they thank us for participating in testnet and being part of the journey to our Sui mainnet. So we had a look at the Sui Testnet's Wave 2 thread, and we can see there are exciting times ahead. Now let's end this video by showing how you can get the Testnet Sui tokens for your transactions. Now we will use Sui Wallet to get our faucet tokens and to use for the transactions. If you don't have a Sui Wallet, or if you don't know how to use Sui Wallet, you can check out our Sui Wallet tutorial video from the cards. After setting up your wallet, open up this wallet and copy your wallet address. And you will need to join Sui Network's Discord server. As I said, all the links will be in the description box below. After joining Sui Testnet server, open up Testnet Faucet channel. And in here, write down !faucet and then paste your wallet address like this. Then hit enter. So as you can see, due to high demand and huge hype, it might take some time for funds to reach your wallet, but they will. As you can see from my balance, they reach your wallet after a while. As I said, it might take 30 minutes or maybe more. You'll just have to be patient and wait for funds to arrive in your wallet. And as you can see, the 0.1 Sui tokens have arrived in our wallet after like 2 minutes. So in our next Sui playlist videos, we will be showing you all the transactions you can make on Sui Network to get airdrop. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. Also, make sure to join our Telegram channels from the links in the description box below in this section to get updated about important developments and news. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.